play the Wii. Okay, yeah, now I just have to make the me. I'm a guy. My guy, where's my thing? There it is. I'm a guy. Yeah, I'm gonna start from scratch. Okay. Here I am. I'm gonna do this. Oh my gosh. Oh no, the thingy fell. No. No, okay. Okay, I'm like chubby face. I want the fat face. No, chubby face. Come on, stupid thingy. Where are you? Dingy, need you to do something for me. Dingy! No! Stupid Wii. Yes, stupid Wii. Come on, I'm backing up. Okay, there I am. On a chubby face. There I am. Yay! Some hair. This is my hair. Okay, I need these. Okay. That's me! Yay! That's me. You could yacht like me. Yeah, it does. Okay, now I need some eyeballs. Eyeballs, eyeballs. Stupid teeny girl. Okay. Thank you. Come on. Okay, I have black eyes. I have brown eyes and nobody knows that. So I need pretty lashes. I'm kidding, I need those eyes. Okay, I like that nose. No, I like that nose. Perfect. That mouth, I need that one. Now I need some glasses. Those, and then I need them to be yellow. Okay, dokie, now I need to be really, really short. Really, really fat. I'm kidding, like right there. Oh, really fat? Birthday is 9/23. 23. 23. Okay, good. Now I need Sergeant. My name is Sergeant. I need just Sarge. No. Sergeant. Stop it. Sergeant. No, what? I didn't be dingy. I swapped it again. Yeah, no. No, it's sad. I need Sergeant. No. Sergeant. And no, not B-N. Sergeant. No. Sergeant. Wow. This is hard. Sergeant. Daddies. The creator? That's me. Okay, the creator is Sydney. Okay, save and quit. Now I gotta play the Wii. Now I get to play Wii Sports. Yay, now I get to play Wii Sports. Okay, now I'm gonna go play boxing. I'm gonna beat him. Yes, I wanna go back to the Wii menu. Yay! Wii menu. Yeah. Let's play the Wii. Okay, I need to play Wii Sports. Then I'll watch a movie later. Dingy! Where'd you go? Where'd you go? No, I'll watch a movie later. Ella, move. I'm not. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna play boxing. Yeah, I'm gonna play boxing. Yeah, I'm gonna play boxing. Because I want to! Yay! Okay, so I'm started. Come on, stupid thingy. I already got the stuff. Oh, wait, no. The thingy isn't. No. I need to just turn the volume up a little bit. There we go. Now let's do some boxing. Okay, just let me get the thingy in. Dad, I'm trying to make a video here.
I'm asking you a question.
No, we don't need that stuff. Okay, so no, only one player. We only have one D. Yes. Yes. Okay. Yeah, one player. No. Yeah. No, where's me? There I am. Sergeant. There's me. Sorry, Dee. Yeah. Whatever. Okay, here we go. I get to play. Okay, I'm gonna play some boxing. And I'm gonna win. Ooh, okay. Okay, I'm gonna beat this dude. I'm gonna kill him. Yay! Okay. Here I go. Fight. I got it. Pam. I don't care. I'm gonna beat him up. I don't care. Let me beat him up. I don't care. Let me beat him up. Yeah, stupid things. I don't care. I don't care. Let me beat him up. I don't care. Let me beat him up. I really don't care. Just let me beat him up. I'm smacking him in the face. Let me just beat him up. Come on. Let me beat him up. Stop. Let me beat him up. I don't need you. Just let me beat him up. Are you serious? I don't care. Let me beat him up. I don't care. Let me beat him up. I'm smacking him in the face. I don't care. Just let me punch him in the face. I got it. Yay, finally. Fight. Bam. I'm gonna smack him in the face. Just smack him in the face and I'm gonna beat him. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's right. You stink at boxing. Stupid person, you stink at boxing. Yeah. I don't care, you stink at boxing. I don't care, you stink at boxing. I don't care, you stink at boxing. Bam. Beat him. Bam. Yay! I beat him! 3, 4, 5, 6. What? Okay. Oh, sorry, Dad. No. See, I'm gonna beat him. Up. No, he was saved by the bell. Bam. You're not even working it. You're not even doing anything. You stink at boxing. I'm gonna smack you in the face. Bam. Owie, you hurt me. I'm not going to give mercy. I'm going to hurt you. Yeah. Bam. Yay! Got me. 4, 5, 6. Aww. I'm going to beat you up. Bam. No, you're not going to beat me up. I'm going to beat you up. Smack you. Smack. He's just going to beat. Bam. Yeah, I did it. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Knockout. Yay, I beat him. Booyah, I beat him. Yay. This is fun. Yay, I beat him. some tennis. Play some tennis. Well, dun dun dun. Dun 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 dun. Okay, I'm bored. I don't want to play the Wii anymore. Wii is boring. Goodbye. I don't like you, Wii. I'm not gonna play you anymore. Boring. You bore me. Yeah, you bore me, Wii. You bore me. Okay, I'm bored. I'm not gonna play the Wii anymore. Well, that was fun playing the Wii, but it was kind of boring. Goodbye. I'll see you later. Goodbye. Comment, subscribe, and rate. Goodbye.